Have you noticed your grocery bills creeping higher every month? One of the most effective ways to fight back against rising food costs is to grow your own produce. And honestly, you don't need acres of land or a massive budget to do it. In fact, some of the most expensive items in your shopping cart are incredibly easy to grow at home. Today, I'm going to walk you through 12 high-impact crops that can save you serious money and turn your backyard or balcony into your own mini grocery store. Let's start with tomatoes. Store-bought tomatoes, especially organic ones, can be pricey and, well, kind of flavorless. But grow them at home, and you get juicy, delicious fruits for just pennies. One healthy tomato plant can yield 10 to 15 pounds in a season, especially if you choose prolific varieties like cherry or Roma. Whether you're slicing them for sandwiches or cooking them down into sauce, tomatoes are a homegrown goldmine. Next up is lettuce. It's one of the fastest growing crops, and you can harvest it within just 30 days of planting. Grocery store lettuce is often wilted and overpriced, but when you grow your own, you can snip off leaves as needed and keep the plant producing for weeks. Even better, varieties like leaf lettuce, arugula, and spinach grow well in containers and shady spots. Herbs are some of the most overpriced items in any grocery store. A tiny clamshell of basil or rosemary can cost several dollars and spoil in just a few days. But grow your own herbs like basil, parsley, cilantro, thyme, and mint, and you'll always have fresh flavor on hand. Herbs thrive in small spaces, and many, like mint or oregano, come back year after year. Don't overlook green beans. These plants are incredibly productive and honestly super easy to grow from seed. Bush beans or pole beans can be harvested multiple times throughout the season, and they freeze well for long-term storage. A single packet of seeds can yield pounds of food, and unlike the ones from the store, yours won't be waxy or bland. Zucchini and summer squash are, well, legendary for their productivity. If you've ever planted them, you know they can go from flower to full-grown squash almost overnight. Just one or two plants can keep you stocked for weeks. And surplus zucchini is perfect for baking, grilling, or freezing. This is one crop that truly gives you more than you can handle, in the best way possible. For root vegetables, carrots are a must. Organic carrots are often expensive, but they're easy to grow in loose, well-drained soil or even deep containers. Plus, they store well in the fridge or root cellar. Plant them once and you'll have sweet, crunchy snacks or cooking staples for months. Peppers, both sweet and hot varieties, are another great investment. Bell peppers can cost quite a bit at the store, especially the colorful red and yellow ones. But you know, grown at home, they're far more affordable, and honestly, way more flavorful. Jalapenos, cayennes, and banana peppers are also high-yielding and just brilliant for drying, pickling, or fermenting. You might not think of potatoes as a money-saving crop, but growing your own, especially fingerlings or specialty varieties, can offer better taste and value than store-bought. They're really easy to grow in bags, barrels, or raised beds, and if you store them properly, they'll last for months. Let's talk about cucumbers. They're a summer garden staple and incredibly prolific. Grow them up a trellis to save space, and you'll have all the cukes you need for salads, snacks, and homemade pickles. Pickling cucumbers especially grow quickly and are super satisfying to preserve. Another powerhouse crop is garlic. Plant it in the fall, and by summer, you'll be harvesting big, flavorful bulbs that put supermarket garlic to shame. Garlic also stores well for months, making it a smart crop for long-term pantry planning. You can't forget onions. Whether you're growing green onions for a quick harvest or bulbing onions for storage, they're essential in nearly every dish, and honestly, very easy to grow from sets. They're low maintenance and can be grown alongside other vegetables in your beds. Finally, consider kale or Swiss chard. These leafy greens are packed with nutrition and, you know, they keep producing for months. You can harvest the outer leaves and let the plant keep growing, a technique called cut and come again. They're also more cold tolerant than other greens, so you'll be eating fresh from the garden longer into the season. So there you have it, 12 crops that can slash your grocery bill and fill your table with homegrown, nutrient-rich food. By focusing on high-yield, high-value plants that you frequently use, you'll make the most of your space and your efforts. Even if you're just starting with a few containers on your patio or balcony, each harvest brings you one step closer to independence and savings. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at how much you can grow and save right outside your door.